Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt that small, uneasy feeling in your stomach? Like you're staring into something so massive, so powerful, that your brain can't fully understand it. Today, we're diving into the 10 most terrifying facts about the universe. Mysteries so strange and cosmic forces so powerful that they make every horror movie on Earth look like a children's cartoon. From exploding stars that can erase planets to invisible monsters drifting through the galaxy. These are the things scientists are genuinely afraid of. So sit back, hit the like button if you love learning about the unknown, and let's warp your mind. First up, rogue black holes are roaming the galaxy. Now, imagine a black hole, but not one at the center of a galaxy, not one glowing with swirling gas. No, a completely invisible black hole just drifting silently through space. These rogue black holes are real, and NASA estimates there could be millions of them in our galaxy alone. If one passed through our solar system, we wouldn't even see it coming. Planets would be torn from their orbits, the sun could be flung out into the void, and Earth would simply be erased without warning. The most terrifying part, there might be one heading toward us right now, and we would have absolutely no way of knowing until it was far, far too late. Next, the universe is expanding faster than we can explain. Think about it like this. Galaxies aren't just moving away from us, they're speeding up. The rate of expansion keeps increasing, like someone slammed down on the cosmic gas pedal and broke it off. Scientists call the mysterious force behind this dark energy. But here's the scary part. We have no idea what it is. Not a single one of our models fits. No measurement we take can fully explain it. It's as if the universe has a built-in self-destruct sequencer, and the countdown is accelerating. We're on a ride that's going faster and faster, but we don't know why or where it's taking us. Number 3 is a real showstopper. Gamma ray bursts can instantly annihilate life. These are, without a doubt, the most powerful explosions known to exist. A single burst releases more energy in just a few seconds than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. Now, imagine if one of these went off within a few thousand light years of Earth. The atmosphere would be stripped away in an instant. Every living thing on the surface would die. The oceans would boil off into space. And all of this would happen in a flash of light. There's no warning. There's no survival. Scientists even speculate that a gamma ray burst might have caused a major mass extinction in Earth's distant past. And yes, they still happen all the time. At number 4, we have the Boat's void, which is basically a 330 million light-year empty hole. Space is supposed to be full of stuffed galaxies, stars, nebula, trillions of them. But then there's the Boat's void. It is an enormous, almost spherical region of space that is almost completely empty. We're talking 330 million light years across with barely anything inside. Scientists have nicknamed it the Great Nothing. This raises so many unsettling questions. Was something there before that got erased? Did some unknown cosmic force clean it out? Or is it just a natural, terrifyingly vast cosmic dead zone? We don't know. But looking into it is like staring into the eye of cosmic oblivion itself. Coming in at number 5, you're constantly being hit with dark matter. We know that dark matter makes up about 85% of all the matter in the universe. It passes right through Earth and right through you every single second of every single day. It can move through planets, stars, even your own body, and you don't feel a thing. Here's the unsettling part. We don't know what dark matter's made of. We don't know where it came from. We have no idea if it interacts with life in some subtle, unknown way. Over long periods, we're basically swimming blind in an invisible, undetectable ocean that governs the structure of the entire cosmos. Number 6 brings us to magnetars, which can literally rip atoms apart. A magnetar is a type of neutron star and is the most magnetic object in the known universe. To give you an idea of its power, let's say a magnetar suddenly appeared halfway between the Earth and the Moon. Every single credit card strip, every hard drive, every electronic device on the planet would be wiped instantly. But that's the least of your worries. Its magnetic field is so ridiculously strong that it could tear the electrons right off of your atoms from thousands of miles away. You wouldn't just die, you would be disintegrated at the atomic level. At number 7, we have the idea that time itself will eventually stop working. This one is a bit of a mind. According to the laws of physics, the farther you get from a source of gravity or mass, the slower time moves relative to it. Now, in certain scientific models of the far, far future, as the universe expands into cold, empty nothingness, time may eventually grind to a complete halt. No more emotion. No more chains. No more cause and effect. Just a perfectly frozen universe, silent and eternal. An existence without a future. Number 8 sounds inspiring at first, but it is not. There are more stars than grains of sand on all of Earth. As beaches, that sounds beautiful, right? A testament to the vastness of creation. But think about what it really means. More stars than sand grains means there are more planets than you can possibly imagine. More worlds than we could ever hope to visit. And what are most of them like? Based on what we know, they are dead, empty, silent, barren rocks, or raging gas giants, either frozen or scorched. The universe isn't a friendly, teeming garden for the most part. It's a colossal, empty graveyard of worlds. At number 9, we learn what happens if you fall into a black hole. If you were unlucky enough to fall into a black hole, you wouldn't just die. The immense gravitational pull would stretch your body into a long, thin strand. Like a piece of spaghetti process that scientists have cheerfully named spaghettification. The pull on your feet would be so much stronger than the pull on your head that every part of your body would be pulled apart at different speeds until you become a single stream of atoms spiraling into the abyss. And some theories suggest the last thing you'd see is the entire future history of the universe flashing before your eyes. Finally, number 10. The universe will end in one of 3 horrific ways. Scientists have a few leading theories for the ultimate fate of everything, and none of them are pleasant. First, there's the big freeze. In this scenario, everything expands so far apart that all heat, light, and energy dissipate. The universe becomes a cold, dark, and lifeless void. Then there's the big crunch. Here, gravity eventually wins, reverses the expansion, and the entire universe collapses back into a single, infinitely hot point, frying everything in the process. And lastly, my personal favorite, the Big Rip. In this one, dark energy becomes so powerful that it tears everything apart. First galaxies, then solar systems, then planets, then atoms, and finally, the very fabric of space-time itself. Whichever way it ends, it's not going to be peaceful. The universe is beautiful and awe-inspiring, but it's also unpredictable, incredibly violent, and filled with mysteries we're not even close to understanding. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmic horror, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending videos. And let me know in the comments which one of these facts scared you the most. Because trust me, there are way more than 10. Thanks for watching.